rewind in time. Somewhere in the past, the timeline skewed into this tangent. In order to put the universe back as we remember it and get back to our reality.
Hey, why don't we just turn off auto ripple? Hello, it's Adam with Tech Dive. Today we're reviewing the FDR AX100 by Sony. And I like this camera, and I wanted to film the review for this camera with this camera, and I finally figured out how. That's the camera. You're looking in a mirror, my friend. Everything you know is a lie. It's Adam with Tech Dive, and I have an extremely important announcement, and that announcement is please stop green screening fire. Hey, it's Adam with Tech Dive. Today we're going to be talking about what you need for a video editing computer, the kinds of parts you're looking for, and the kind of money you're expected to throw at it. Why don't you just buy a Mac? Any other dumb questions? Because I did it on an action, then that means that me holding the gun has some sort of context to it. How to make a spooky figure appear in the flames. Today we're going to talk about how to move things around and highlight things on a world map. What I'd like to highlight about India is that I've never been. Hey, this is Adam with Tech Dive AVClub, and today I got a little trick for you. So if you take this little ball and you throw it just past your camera, you can... Oh, dang it, that's like 10 years of patron money. Why am I upside down and looking up at the camera? Let's check it out.
All right, for $1 million, here is your final question.
Oh, man.
Hey, it's Adam with Tech Dive AVClub, and I want to talk about Vegas Pro 17, the 4th update, and why there's a line item on the update that is a very big deal. It's a huge deal, actually, and it should be very helpful to a lot of you guys, and it's big news, and I don't know why everyone isn't talking about it. I don't know what news could Huh? The whole world. Really?